watching the News Hour Special Edition.
Well, this is a bunch of letters and a growing mountain of evidence that there is something sinister that is afoot. But there is also a very concerted effort, very concerted effort by the lobby which opposes the Modi government to dismiss this entire assassination plot against the Prime Minister as a political stunt by the BJP and the centre. They've even tried to dig up the instances in the past when there have been cases and issues and aspects or news breaks where they say that there has been a plot or a threat to assassinate the Prime Minister, but this has been going on since 2002. And the latest addition in this list is the alleged Maoist comrade Umar Khalid's father, Qasim Ilyas, who also, just like the lobby, believes that this is all fabrication. The father of the same Umar Khalid, who in that alleged Maoist letter has been referred to as the young fighter of the revolution. Umar Khalid's father, confronted by Times Now outside the Pak High Commission, where he was invited as a special guest to an iftar party. He says that the letter signalling towards an alleged plot to kill the Prime Minister is fabricated and fake.
First, the son, Umar Khalid, was named by the Maoists as a young fighter of revolution. Now the father, Qasim, is seen enjoying the hospitality of Pakistan. In an iftar party bash by the Pakistan High Commission, the guest list included Umar's father, along with separatist leaders who have been the biggest critics of our democracy. Incidentally, this is while the Pune police recovered a letter on a Maoist plot to kill the Prime Minister. It glorified the valor of Umar Khalid as well. So we asked his father to respond to the serious charges.
Did you at any point put forward India's position in front of them?
No, I don't want to say anything.
So did you put this right now? Ramzan ceasefire is being violated by Pakistan clearly. Did you put that point forward in front of them? Did you appeal for peace? Did you appeal for
There
peace?
was no such type of things.
Did you appeal for?
Same Maoists had planned to assassinate Prime Minister.
No.
Would you condemn that? आप condemn करेंगे सर उसको?
वो सब fabricated news है वो. That's all.
How can you say fabricated?
How can you call it fabricated? So this has been caught by the police.
नाम आए उमर खालिद का उसमें.
That is fabricated news, completely
सर
fabricated.
उनका नाम है वॉलेंस के अंदर क्या उनके लिंक से उमर खालिद?
No, not at all.
But clearly the letter clearly indicates a Rajiv Gandhi type assassination. Umar
That
Khalid's
is
name is
fabricated,
also.
100% fabricated.
So how can you say that? Do you have
It's
evidence?
fabricated.
Do you have evidence to show that it's
That will come
submitted in court,
in the
sir?
court.
Do you have evidence to prove that,
That will
sir?
come in the court.
Do you have evidence to prove that, sir?
It will prove in the court.
This has been submitted in court, so how can you call it fabricated?
Yes, we have to qualify it.
As the Tukre Tukre plot thickens, the liberal lobby is quick to defend the right of Umar's father to be entertained by Pakistan.
The High Commissioner has extended the invitation, may have extended the invitation to certain individuals, including the father of that gentleman. I think it is not a very serious matter. They are all not anti-Indians. They are not anti-nationals. They are not pro-Pakistanis. They go there, it's a social gathering and it's a goodwill gathering among the people, and therefore if Khalid goes for, his father goes for iftar, that should not be considered as any circumstance adverse.
While Umar's father is quick to dismiss the plot against the Prime Minister, his sympathies lie with Pakistan, not our Prime Minister. Bureau Report, Times Now.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Let's dive straight into the debate. How is it that there is sympathy for Pakistan? No questions asked. Is there violation of the ceasefire fabrication? No. Them targeting innocents on our side of the border, is that fabrication? No. Is what is happening in Jammu and Kashmir not orchestrated from across the border? Yes. In all these cases, how is it that these letters become fabrication? Everything that one particular side of a political ideology or opposition believes to be untrue stays that way. So anything that questions, challenges that logic is fabricated, is fake. But Shazia Ilmi, Ashutosh Mishra, Professor K. Nageshwar and also Devashish Jararia. Good evening, Shazia Almi. How is it that everything that was said about Gauri Lankesh was always true. Even before the cops reached there, they had said it is the right wing. So that is true.
Yes, so much later when the cops came out with the theory that a right-wing Hindu group was involved, everybody believed it. But even before that, within minutes of Gauri Lankesh being killed, the news was out and everybody was busy tweeting, almost blaming BJP for the same, and there was nothing wrong with that. Here in this particular matter, if you see, there is the Maharashtra police, they have seized a document. The public prosecutor has brought this evidence to the court with on all responsibility. There are details that have been given there, and how light and how tritely it is being taken by others. Now, when this Tukde Tukde gang is not allowed to preach sedition in JNU, there is sudden outrage. But I'm shocked at this absolutely nonchalant attitude of the leaders in the opposition of not really expressing any outrage at a letter which is used as an evidence which shows conspiracy to kill the Prime Minister of the country. Prime Minister of the country, if you're planning to have such a serious conspiracy, it's a conspiracy against the nation.
No, not just
against
that.
the highest executive office.
No,
and just imagine how trite and flippantly it's being received.
No, Ashutosh, please respond. Ashutosh, tell me this, sir. How is it that the Hindu Janajagriti or Sanatan Sanstha are directly linked to the RSS and directly linked to the BJP? वो है, कुछ भी हिंदू है तो RSS और BJP ही होगा और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. But Elgar Parishad connection to the Maoist is fabricated. Maoist ऐसे लेटर थोड़ी लिखते हैं.
No, I don't know what Elgar Parishad, how it is linked to the Maoists. I don't hold the torch for them. But coming back to the evidence part,
you don't know or you don't hold the torch for them.
We have seen in Mecca Masjid case.
You don't know or you don't hold it. If you don't know, I will enlighten you. If you don't hold the torch for them, I respect that position.
Was proved to be false. Mega Masjid evidence in case of the police putting evidence was proved wrong. So let the court decide whether what is being presented is true.
So why aren't
untrue.
you holding that same position for Gauri Lankesh?
Why
aren't you holding that same position for Gauri Lankesh?
Cannot be the judge, jury, and executioner.
Why aren't you questioning? Why aren't you questioning Siddaramaiah government and the current HD Kumaraswamy government when they put an accused number 1 who was not even present at the time when Gauri Lankesh was shot? The accused number 1 was not even present at the time Gauri Lankesh was shot. That is all right. That is credible investigation. पक्का वहाँ तो decided है, कोई doubt ही नहीं है. Court क्या decide करेगा, हम decide करते हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पर when there is letters which say that let's plot a Rajiv Gandhi style assassination, अरे ये letter थोड़ी कौन decide करेगा?
Wrong parallels here, Anand.
अरे there cannot be a Rajiv Gandhi like assassination.
Wrong parallels.
There cannot be because Rajiv Gandhi was assassinated because his security was downgraded. In case of Mr. Modi, even when he is not the PM, he will get his security. So let's not worry. Even the Home Minister says that it's just an empty threat.
Point.
So let's trust our Home Minister at least.
So this is like if somebody is plotting to kill the Prime Minister, let's not just take it seriously because in the current situation, जैसे पहले मारा था तो मार नहीं सकते. ये आप explanation दे रहे हो. ये आप explanation दे रहे हो. But tell me Ashutosh Mishra, when there was weather turbulence and Rahul Gandhi's trip to Karnataka, what was your reaction? When there was plane turbulence on Rahul Gandhi's trip to Karnataka, what did you say?
We are talking about the Prime Minister.
No. What did you say? What was your reaction at that time? What was your reaction at that time?
It should be taken very seriously by the agencies.
No, sir. I am asking you what was your reaction. ये selective emotion क्यों है? Selective emotion क्यों नहीं है? क्यों है?
Selective, same. No, it's emotion is
अरे उधर threat है तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
The other side was
उधर threat है तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इधर threat है तो फर्क पड़ता है. What is this logic?
That's why they are called emotions, na?
No. So where is the logic?
It's emotions.
So in one case you will think with the head. In the other case you will think with the heart. Why this dichotomous, duplicitous position?
in both the cases, people are thinking through.
No, so if you lean towards, the left lobby, if you lean towards the so-called seculars, then you are an independent thinking individual. But if you don't, if you disagree with them, then you are paid.
Why?
That's exactly what this is the entire sequence. This is the entire sequence.
What is happening?
This is the entire sequence.
If you don't agree with
this
the
is
right
the entire
lobby,
sequence.
Right
this
now
is
what
the
is
entire
happening is
sequence.
if you don't agree that
this is the narrative.
What BJP is
this
saying
is the narrative. उनकी लाइन पकड़ोगे तो आप इंडिपेंडेंट हो, दूसरी लाइन पकड़ोगे तो आप पेड हो.
Today is exactly what you are saying.
So उधर प्राइम मिनिस्टर को थ्रेट है तो ये फेक है, लेकिन राहुल गांधी को झटका लगता है तो ओ माय गॉड. I'm just questioning, sir. Why is this like? Why is this kind of a duplicity being considered?
It will be tested by the authorities. In case of Rahul Gandhi,
let me just open this up. Let me see. That's what I'm saying. जरा अपने आप को टटोल के, please just look within you and then decide. Just because you want to oppose somebody, everything else falls into your blind spot. How is that fair? How is that right? Devashish Jararia, you were saying the analogies were wrong. I was not trying to draw parallels. I was just trying to say how people react in two different cases. You tell me, sir. Now, hear me. Now, Devashish, tell me.
First of all,
Devashish, see,
first of all,
it was in the UPA.
Please don't compare the.
It was in the UPA, which had Farooq Abdullah as part of its cabinet. Now, hear this out. Devashish, please. I'll allow you. Please allow me this. Which had Farooq Abdullah as part of its cabinet that listed the DSU as an active front organization of the CPI Maoist. Not once, but twice. The CPI Maoist is a banned organization by the Union Home Ministry. Not under the NDA. Under the UPA. Under the UPA. Under the UPA. Exactly. You know who was a member of DSU till November 2015?
Yes. No.
Umar Khalid. Umar Khalid was a member of DSU, which has been claimed by the UPA too as a front organization or as a wing of the CPI Maoist. Umar Khalid is called as Comrade Umar, young Indian revolutionary like Comrade Jignesh. In a letter allegedly written by a Maoist to another Maoist. So, but this is all fabrication.
Now, can I comment? Now can I comment? First of all, Anand, I am strictly against your analogy of comparing Gauri Lankesh murder with this threat letter allegedly.
No, I'm saying the conclusions drawn, the reactions.
Please don't,
I qualified it very clearly. I qualified it clearly how people are reacting. No, Devashish, don't twist my words. I was very clear कि आपका reaction क्या है? What is the first reaction that you gave and what is the qualified reaction that you come out with? That's what I'm trying to say. How is it that the reactions are different?
I'll tell you what was my first reaction. I'll tell you what was my first reaction. If there is a real and serious threat to our Prime Minister, he is not only the Prime Minister of Bharatiya Janata Party or some right wingers, he is also our Prime Minister.
He is the Prime Minister of this country.
With full honesty, that any political party, organized political party of this country will support Prime Minister Modi in this case. That's 100% truth. Okay, we have very senior politicians and our democracy is that much strong that we can stand with Prime Minister Modi in this case. Now, coming on why the people is making hue and cry of this issue, let me tell you one thing.
Yeah.
It is not on the opposition. The BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra did a press conference over this. Three senior cabinet minister of Modi government spoke on these letters. Another thing is that even if on a very simple issue that how much money is spent on the security of Prime Minister Modi, that is the issue of national security. You will not even get a RTI reply on that issue. We understand this is the issue of national security. When a serious threat on the Prime Minister is not a issue, it is not a matter of national security.
Right.
Why this letter was leaked to the public domain? That is the most crucial part. Why
the
we are
media
discussing
gets,
a issue
media
of
gets the
national
facts
security?
out.
No, it was
media gets the
presented in the
facts out.
court.
So then you
You've got
will
all
say,
your facts wrong.
Why did you
No,
why
it's
did you
not
put
a
the
fact
facts
finding.
out? No, media
I
gets
think
the
you have
facts
no
out.
facts.
Why did you put the facts out?
This is a
No, but
matter
Devashish
of
Jararia,
serious concern.
Devashish
No.
Jararia, let me ask you.
No,
The
it's not
media
a- no,
also
it's
put
not a
out
fact.
the media
It's
also
a
put
matter
out the
of-
communication
it's a matter of
and the
national
information
security.
gathered by the SIT in the Gauri Lankesh murder case. At that time, you didn't turn around and say, why is this being leaked to the media?
That matter was not a matter
No.
of national security.
So,
the
sir,
Prime Minister and
sir,
Gauri
in this
Lankesh are two
case-
different entities.
in this case-
and Gauri
in
Lankesh
this
was
case-
not on a
in
constitutional
this
post.
case, what
Sir, please,
stands out-
Anand, you are speaking
in this
about
case-
the most
in this
powerful
case-
person in this country.
In this case, what we are putting out as this is what was being planned. This is a chain of letters. This is a chain of letters where
No,
one
there
leads
is
to the
still
other, the other
investigation.
leads to the other, and the
this
other leads to the
investigation
other.
is of
So
very
now
high order.
suddenly,
No, this is a very
Pune
serious
incident.
issue.
Suddenly,
This issue-
a Pune
no, this
incident,
issue-
an incident
I
in
think,
Bhima
Anand, you are very-
Koregaon, which you
are
along
a
with many
very
others, stood
sincere-
here and
sincere
said
journalist.
is
I
an
know you
outright
personally,
atrocity on
and you
Dalits,
take the
has
matter
turned
of
out
national
to be a
security with
diabolical
full high
plan to
concern.
destabilize India. That's what it's become, sir. And it's become because the media
No,
kept
no.
asking questions.
No.
And we did
That
the
is
groundwork
that
that
is
you
the
should have
agenda.
done.
That
We
is the
did the
agenda.
work that you should
Now
have done.
you are- no,
We
no,
did
no,
the
now
work.
you are-
We
now
did
you
the
are
work
molding
that you
this
as a
whole
Dalit
issue.
leader
Now you are molding this whole
who claims to
Dalit agenda
champion
is
the
a real issue.
Ambedkarite movement
And
and
Modi
represent the
government lost
youth
because
or
of
the
free
youngsters
bypass
as
because
part
of
of the
the agenda.
Ambedkarite movement should have done.
That is the politics.
You should have been the
That
first
is the
person to
politics.
come out and say,
That
how
is the
is it that
politics.
we have
Now
Maoist
this
cadre
is
trying to
tending
usurp the
towards-
Ambedkarite movement? But Devashish Jararia, not
Now
once did you do
this
it.
is tending
You
to
didn't
be
stand
the
in Pune.
agenda
You
to
didn't stand
hijack
in
Ambedkarite
Pune.
movement.
You didn't stand in Pune, sir.
No,
You
no,
didn't
no,
stand
no,
in the
no,
national
Anand, you are
capital.
trying
You
to
didn't stand in
hijack this
Mumbai. You
to
didn't
mold
stand
this whole
anywhere
agenda
and turn
towards the
around and say,
Ambedkarite movement.
we
Don't
cannot
hijack
allow,
Ambedkarite
we
movement.
cannot allow Maoist terrorists. We cannot allow an ideology that does not believe in the constitution of this country. We cannot allow cadre who want to derail this country to mislead Dalits and to usurp the Ambedkarite movement. You did not say that.
I will be the first movement, Anand.
You didn't say that.
But first let it.
जब भीमा कोरेगा हुआ तब आपने नहीं बोला.
नहीं, first establish होने दीजिए.
भीमा कोरेगा हुआ तब नहीं बोला. उसके बाद आपने देखा
उसके
बाद आपने देखा कि दलित के लीडर बनकर दलितों के लीडर बनकर जिग्नेश मेवानी और उमर खालिद जैसे लोग दलितों के लीडर बन के आए हैं जिनको अम्बेडकराइट मूवमेंट से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. वो अम्बेडकराइट मूवमेंट को तोड़कर दलितों को माओइस्ट बना रहे हैं.
आप वो डिबेट निकाल के देख लीजिए.
आप दलितों को माओइस्ट बना रहे हैं.
मैंने पहले ही बोला कि ना
आप लोगों ने इसका ना खंडन किया. आप लोगों ने ना इसका खंडन किया. और दूसरी बात
पहले भी खंडन किया.
दूसरी बात देवशीष, मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं.
मैंने
मैं आपको दूसरी बात बताऊं.
आनंद आपके
मैं आपको दूसरी बात बताऊं.
मैं आपको वीडियो फुटेज
दलित जो है इस देश में बहुत बड़ी ताकत है सर. उस ताकत को कमजोर कर उसका इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है. दिस इज अ वेरी डायबॉलिकल प्लान. प्लीज सर.
तो वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूं.
That is my worry, sir.
नहीं कर सकती.
That is my worry,
नहीं कर सकती इस बात
को. That is the country's worry.
that
they are using a vulnerable, a strong but a vulnerable section of our country to play a very, very diabolical plot of politics. दलित का इस्तेमाल कर एंड दलित that is what is being done. So there is beyond doubt. So you think very carefully before you stand up to defend these people, okay? You think very carefully before you stand up to defend this law.
And Dalits are
I am just saying. I am just saying. No, I am just saying, sir. I am just saying, Professor Nageshwar, these are the people who think who will uphold the cause of India. Who will go and endorse those people who want to bleed India with 1,000 cuts. They will accept the invitation and the entertainment of those people who want to bleed India with 1,000 cuts because they identify with them religiously. But culturally, nationally, what the important issue is, that nobody will talk about. Yes, Mr. Nageshwar. Professor Nageshwar, sorry, go ahead.
Anand, nobody can support Pakistan's conspiracy over India. But Prime Minister Narendra Modi also flew to Pakistan has touched the feet of Nawaz Sharif's mother, attended Nawaz Sharif's granddaughter's wedding, should we also say that he is also an
as a
accomplice?
professor, will you differentiate between the two?
No, let me complete.
Sir, I am asking you only. I am staying with you only. As a professor, as an academic, as an educator, will you differentiate between the two when you draw the parallels? The Prime Minister doing this as a representative of this country because it's a diplomatic compulsion. You have to knock the door of your neighbor because you can't choose your neighbor. But tell me, sir, do you and me?
If that is the case, the government should have banned the iftar party. The government should have banned the iftar party. The government should have expelled the Pakistani diplomat.
Professor Nageshwar,
the government should have banned the iftar party.
Can we be equated with the responsibility of the office of Prime Minister?
Then let me tell you, if that is the case, the government
sir,
of India
with due respect
should
to you,
have
sir,
banned the
you should
iftar
as an
party.
academician, as an educator, you should actually qualify your response by saying if the Prime Minister, despite the Prime Minister doing that, despite the Prime Minister going to Lahore, touching the feet of Nawaz Sharif's mother, showing the respect to an elderly lady, following our culture, what we get is stabs. What we get is Nagrota. What we get is Uri. What we get is Nauhata.
Anand, you should allow me to complete my point. My point is, if
I will not speak.
If iftar party is illegal, the government of India should have banned the iftar party, should have expelled the Pakistani diplomats. So why should the government of India
as an
keep quiet?
educator, as an academic, as an intellectual, how can you misinform the people? Because the iftar party was held inside the Pakistan High Commission, which technically on Indian soil is Pakistani territory. You know the diplomatic conventions. So India cannot stop anybody from India cannot stop Pakistan from holding the iftar. But Indians can decide whether they want to go there or not.
As an educator, as an intellectual,
you have to state facts correctly, sir. Indians can decide whether they want to go there or not. But we cannot stop Pakistan from hosting the function.
Taken retaliatory action. You should know that.
Sir, you have to make the state. Please make your statements responsibly, sir. You're a professor. Please don't mislead the people who believe you, who will believe every word of yours.
So you are not even allowing me to make a point.
So then state facts properly, sir.
Where is the question I'm making? You are speaking more than me.
Sir, state facts properly, sir.
You are speaking more than me. You are not asking question. You are even giving a lecture to me.
Yes, sir, because I was expecting you to give me a lecture.
My point is very clear.
I was expecting you to tell me that we cannot stop Pakistan from holding the iftar, but we as Indians can refrain from going there. You didn't say that.
Should I tell you?
Yes, sir.
No, okay, you should allow me to complete.
Please, sir.
You should allow me to complete. You're not even making...
Go ahead.
No, my point is, yes, there are instances where Pakistani High Commissioner met the separatist leaders. Government of India has even expelled diplomats. You should know that, number one. Number two, any Indian citizen, India cannot prevent something happening in the Pakistan High Commission. They can always prevent Indian citizens attending something untoward.
Yeah.
So why did they not take action? Let them file cases on those who attended the iftar party in the Pakistan High Commission. You should ask the government that. Rather than finding fault with the people who have gone, let the government take action on them.
BJP answer that. That's what I wanted you to ask. Thank you very much. Yes, Shazia Almi.
Yes, I think, it's so sad and shallow how these two gentlemen are trying to justify when the true face of Umar Khalid, Comrade Umar Khalid and Jignesh Mewani are actually coming to the fore.
Nobody is justifying
the fact of the matter is, and I want to give a point-by-point rebuttal. No. How are you trying to obfuscate? You're talking. No. Let me finish. You spoke enough. You spoke enough. Let me finish speaking what I'm saying. You spoke enough. Be quiet.
Okay.
Be quiet. Be quiet and allow me to finish. Allow me to finish. You spoke enough. I'm not listening to you at all. Because I'm not listening to you now because I'm here to say what I have to say.
Shazia Almi did not interrupt you.
No. First, let me finish. Show some manners, sir.
Let there be.
Sir, show some manners and allow me to speak. I want to give a point-by-point rebuttal of all that has been said so far. So I will definitely come to what you said, sir. First of all, you are saying do not draw parallels. So when there is a suicide by Rohit Varmala and there is a suicide note and an old case of history of depression, that note should not be taken seriously. But should be taken seriously. But when Mahato, another Dalit boy, is killed in West Bengal, then the note seems to be planted. You look, and I want to give many such
We never supported that. We never supported that.
Two. Now you're talking about. When we talk about.
Don't mix up all those things. I never supported the killing of the Dalit activists of BJP.
So be quiet. No. I'm talking about the nationwide
You are responding to my point, but I never supported. Don't create a false narrative.
To Hyderabad. I'm talking about all the tweets that came out about what is happening with India and the intolerance that is governing the politics. What has happened to intolerance now? What is it? No, please be quiet, sir. You'll have to finish. I'm not talking to you. Please understand. It's not about you. It's about a larger point that I'm making.
आप कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं?
आप चुप रहिए एक मिनट. आप चुप रहिए भाई साहब. आप बहुत बोल रहे हैं. आप बहुत बोल रहे हैं भाई साहब. आप चुप रहिए. अरे मुझे खत्म तो करने दीजिए. So the selective outrage that we have seen throughout is shocking. Here is a letter which names people. It says that it might appear suicidal. It might fail, but can we go ahead?
Here is a letter
it is
which
as
could be a
sinister
fake
as
letter.
It gets.
Here
and
is
it
a
was taken
letter
so
that could be
tightly.
fake.
No, I don't think Maharashtra police is up to planting a letter, something like this, and taking it to the court where the public prosecutor is revealing the contents, the dangerous contents of this.
How the police of this country works.
I really think so. No, we also know. What do you mean we know? So why didn't you say this about the Karnataka police? What do you mean we know?
Can we just pause for a bit? See, I'll tell you, Devashish Jararia, one sec. Sir, all of you, there are a lot of people who are trying to say, please, 1 second, Shazia. There are a lot of people who are trying to say that these letters are all fabricated, including Umar Khalid's father. They have all said this is all fabrication. If it was just one piece of paper, if it was one piece of paper, I would have stood with you and said, ki bhai, iski veracity, authenticity, test karao. My point is, Mr. Devashish Jararia, that it's not just this. It's not just these trail mails. The point is, now have a look at this. This is the remand copy. This is the remand copy of the Maharashtra police. This, in my hand, is a charge sheet of Maharashtra ATS. This is a charge sheet of Maharashtra ATS which has been filed in a different case of Ajay Dasari. In this case, in the case of Ajay Dasari, the fourth name which is listed as accused, you know what his name is? His name is Shankaraya Lingaya Gunde. Shankar Gunde is his name. Now, Shankar Gunde's name features as the Mumbai contact point for the Elgar Parishad. This is Elgar Parishad's pamphlet. Elgar Parishad pamphlet has Shankar Gunde's name and contact number as their Mumbai contact person. Now tell me there is no contact, there is no connection between Maoists and Elgar Parishad, which claims itself to be a Dalit activist group. This was the first question which they said, कि दलितों का माओइस्ट से क्या लेना देना?
I'll tell you one thing.
Right. Now, so this connection is established.
पहली चीज तो मैं बता दूं.
This connection is established. एक.
मैं जवाब
सुनिए. दूसरा. इस मेल में उमर खालिद का नाम है. उमर खालिद का नाम in the first letter that came out as Comrade Umar Khalid. Comrade Umar Khalid was listed as member of DSU till November 2015, which according to UPA 2 is a front for CPI Maoist. Now you tell me that Umar Khalid is not Maoist. Umar Khalid is mentioned in the Elgar Parishad. He was standing there and giving his speeches.
Now let me speak.
Now you tell me there is no connection between them.
Now let me speak. Now first of all, now if there is a connection, please I request you, I request the Home Ministry that please arrest Umar Khalid first of all, okay? And do whatever you want. Whatever the law of this country allows you, please do that. Okay. My only concern is that Prime Ministers, if the life of Prime Minister is under threat, it is a matter of serious concern and it is a matter of national security.
Okay.
I think in previous time also there was 11 other instances when Prime Minister got life threat. I don't know what has happened on those issues. I think if BJP is speaking on these issues, they should come forward.
Are you trying to say कि अगर 11 बार उनको life threat मिला है तो 11 में से कम से कम एक बार तो वो succeed हो जाना चाहिए था और Prime Minister को मर जाना चाहिए था? Is that what you are trying to say? 11 बार थ्रेट मिले, 11 बार कुछ नहीं हुआ, तो फिर ये फेक है।
मेरा कहने का
मतलब ये आपका लॉजिक है।
11 बार अगर
तो ये लॉजिक है आपका।
11 बार मिला है तो उसकी रिक्वेस्ट नहीं, उसका क्या?
नहीं आप मुझे आप लॉजिक लगा, ये आप कह रहे हो।
मैटर है,
सुनिए
सुनिए
सुनिए, आप बहुत अखबार पढ़ते हैं ना देवाशीष जरारिया। आज मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के पेज नंबर 11 पर
आपको आनंद बता रहा होगा,
दिल्ली का एडिशन है, उसमें लिखा है इन अप्रैल
सिक्योरिटी को
नहीं, in April, sir, in April, when the Prime Minister went there to inaugurate the dam of Bijapur, the intelligence input says that there were 300 Maoist cadre of the Hidma faction led by Hidma who were present there in Bijapur. That is the level of threat. That is the level of threat. Did you know about this? Did you know about this till June? You didn't. Because these are aspects of intelligence which do not come out till the time it is relevant or it is important. That's what happens, sir. And there is a certain level of credit you need to give to journalists and to our team, which is working tirelessly and which has moved heaven and mountains, sir.
This is a tweet
to try and get to the truth.
Listen to me, Anand. This is a tweet by Girraj Singh. This is a tweet by Girraj Singh. On 31st October 2013. और गिरिराज सिंह ने क्या बोला? मेरा आरोप है कि नीतीश कुमार ने मुजाहिदीन के साथ मिलकर नरेंद्र मोदी की हत्या की साजिश तो नहीं की है, इसका जवाब देना चाहिए।
तो उन्होंने आरोप लगाया और कहा कि मुझे इसका जवाब चाहिए। उन्होंने क्या कहा? उनको इसका जवाब चाहिए बोला ना। उन्होंने इसका जवाब चाहिए बोला। तो उन्होंने ये तो नहीं कहा,
मुझे बताइए,
उन्होंने उसका जवाब मांगा। अगर उनको उसका जवाब मिल गया, उसके बाद तो उन्होंने वो आरोप नहीं लगाया। तो आप ये प्रूव करके दिखाओ कि ये फेक है।
नीतीश जी
नहीं, आप ये प्रूव करके दिखाओ कि ये सारे लेटर फेक है।
तो ये पॉलिटिक्स नहीं
Shazia will respond.
बताइए कि
Shazia will respond.
नहीं क्या
No, so Shazia will respond. Shazia, देखिए सर, आप अपनी बात कहिए, आप अपनी बात कहिए, सरकार अपनी बात कहेगी, अपना डिफेंड करेगी। मैं यहाँ तथ्यों पे सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ, मैं सबसे सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ। Please understand this, sir. And we are.
Ji, you are playing politics.
No,
dirty politics.
I'll tell you.
Because you lost 3 elections.
Yeah,
3 by
I'll tell you, sir.
No, you are doing politics.
Read the charge sheet. Read the charge sheet. Read the pamphlet. We are drawing an inference and we are drawing linking one to the other and saying if this is correct, then we have a serious problem. And I'm starting even before I talk about the plot to kill the Prime Minister, Devashish Jararia. I am more concerned about the Ambedkarite movement and a peaceful Dalit movement being usurped by Maoists. That's my greater concern, sir. Because the SPG, the Intelligence Bureau and the security machinery of the country has got the responsibility of protecting the Prime Minister. But you and me, sir, we as people of this country have to guard ourselves against a very violent and what has been classified as an anti-state movement usurping a movement.
क्वेश्चन उठाते आप, कितनी बार उठाया आपने?
क्या
नहीं उठाया आपने?
क्या नहीं?
संभाजी भिड़े का जो एंटिसिपेटरी बेल थी वो खारिज हो गई, फिर भी उसके बाद भी उसको अरेस्ट नहीं किया गया। हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू हैव रेज्ड दैट क्वेश्चन?
Sir, am I stopping you from raising the question?
How many times you have raised the question?
Am I stopping you from raising the question? Raise the question and ask the BJP. I am saying ask the question, sir. Ask whatever you want to ask.
He's answering all the questions.
You said you are very concerned about Ambedkar movement. I am not saying you asking that
question. Ask, no, sir. Ask. He is planning a morcha tomorrow. He is planning a rally tomorrow. Dalits are going to protest it. They are asking, don't give him permission. I know that also. Let the BJP answer.
Language. Look at the kind of conspiracies
that we will do. But it is very ezy for a Dalit to be portrayed as an
Let the BJP answer. Yes.
No, but who are you to hijack the debate? Are you going to be like Umar Khalid and Jignesh Mawani who usurped the whole Ambedkarite movement and used both Dalits and pushed them into this Maoist thing? I will not allow you to do that in this debate. I will not allow you to do that. What do you mean? I will not allow you this debate to become a pro-Maoist debate. I want you to be clear here and speak against Umar Khalid and Jignesh Mawani and say that they're ruining my country. They're against my country's progress. I want you to say that instead of attacking BJP all the time. I want you to ask the Vote Wapsi Brigade. I want you to ask the Intolerance Brigade as to why the pride of this issue.
You tell me. Now, Devashish Jararia, let me tell you, sir.
Three Dalits have been charged by NSA.
No, the voice and the volume that you got right now, I want you to get that kind of voice and volume when you question the likes of Jignesh Mewani, Umar Khalid, and a certain person who claims to be the king of Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, but then issues open threats to journalists and also is in cahoots with the left and the Maoists.
They ordered DGP not to charge NSA.
You raise your voice against all those who are trying to hijack the Ambedkarite movement and appropriate it. Don't be selective. Don't be selective. Raise your voice against all of them.
I am not selective.
Yes, you are, sir. Yes, you are, sir.
We will
not at all
call out
yes, you are, sir.
Selective.
Yes, you are.
Yes.
Yes, you
Don't
are.
be so selfish and love your country and love your Prime Minister, even if he's not from your party. This is very serious. Work against.
I'll tell you what.
He's not
I'll tell you what.
I'll tell you what.
Sir, I'm going to wind up with a request that let's start moving beyond lip service. Let's start moving beyond lip service. Let's start moving beyond lip service. Tomorrow, if using this Dalit cause, if there is something diabolical and violence that is perpetrated, the biggest insult will be to the founding fathers of our constitution and the architect of our constitution. I hope you all realize that, what these machinations are. I have to wind up for the moment. I thank you all. Ashutosh Mishra, Professor Nageshwar Shazia Elmi and Devashish Jararia. Thank you.